All right, we're doing testing. We're in for the day, and we never know when you need a tester. That car will not start.
It is dead.
Here, open this up. So this is this is another brand.
Jump starter.
This how do you say that?
Vuteehy. Vuteehy.
Flex ring, see a Vuteehy. So yeah, my light's not helping the situation here, but yeah, that's close you're gonna get. All right, let's see what we got here. This little small one. It's supposed to be 100 to 2,000 crank, which is hard to believe that little small logs.
All right.
So they saw the video of me testing the other one, so now we're going to see how this one is. So,
Good enough. It's got a picture of a car there.
yeah, that's a good sign. It's not for motorcycles then.
Square plug, round hole.
It didn't work.
There it is. 100%.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go do it.
See what happens on this thing. What are we trying to start over here?
Cadillac CTS.
Oh,
Dead battery.
the bad motor one. Okay. Oh, we didn't do the battery tester. See.
All right, so we know the battery's dead.
Oh, I don't know that.
Well, do you want to try and start it so you can see it?
Well, you know how to start it. Let's go.
You're gonna hook it up.
Okay, I'll hook it up. I know all these flashing lights mean. I didn't read the instructions. So what year is this thing? 4?
This is a 2007.
7. Okay, it's got a. Is that a V8 in there or V6?
V6.
That must be a 6. It's short.
Okay, here it goes.
Yeah. Doesn't want to start, does it?
Dead battery.
Okay.
Whoa! We got power.
Okay, we got a solid green light. I think that's a good sign. Got a knock in it. Bad motor. Alternator must not be working either. Okay, it worked. Let's see how this works. This just struts. Close the hood. There you go. How's it run?
It works.
That's a cream puff there of a car, sir. That thing needs a motor bad. That's what happens when you're in modern oil and old on cars that need better oil quality. All right, there you go. It worked for that. That wasn't a very dead battery, but it does what it needs to. It saved the day. So I guess when that goes solid green is when it's time to start. I don't know how you're supposed to charge it up, but there is a code number if you can read it. So there you go, jump start test. Number whatever. There's a jump start, there's some more information. It's hard to do it with the light out here. If you go inside with the lights better, it might work better. There you go. Look at that, it fits in there. Keep that thing running, it's going to blow up. All right, well there you go. It worked. Started the vehicle. Wasn't much of a test, but it worked. It beats pushing it. All right, that's it for now.